I'm Fareed Tahir, an AR and VR developer with 5+ years of experience creating immersive, high-performance applications for gaming, education, real estate, and product visualization. From multiplayer VR games and real-time AR product demos to 3D training simulations, I deliver engaging, results-driven experiences using Unity, Unreal Engine, ARKit, ARCore, and WebXR. I specialize in transforming static concepts into smooth, realistic, cross-platform interactive realities that captivate audiences. If you're ready to bring your AR/VR vision to life with creativity, precision, and on-time delivery, let's make it happen.